morning, everyone. Today we are discussing Sandur Manganese Oran and Limited quarter one result June. Our company has been be published result amount in lakhs. I will tell in crores. Operating revenue from compared to last year 60 crores company posted published result. This quarter 42 crores. Overall, compared to this time 18% company decline. And also other other income compared to last year 22 crores, this time 12 crores. So similarly 50% also have declined. Total also 62 crores last time, this time 43 crores. Other income. And also finance cost last year only 4 crores 23 lakhs, but this crore 30 around 31 crores company posted. It means company taken loan for this last year to this year. Orally we are looking. And also other expenses, last time 21 crores, now is 17 crores quarter wise, last year to this year. uh, and also net profit also, last year 19 crores, 49 crores, now is 43 crores. And also earning last time 9 rupees, this quarter 7.9 paisa. It means show the company compared to last year June to June 25, company decline all over profits here. This is not any recommendation buying and selling. For this is only for information making video for understanding how company balance sheet performing June quarter unaudited results. Thank you. Please subscribe channel YouTube.